Hello, today is Friday, March 27th, and as of today, you have three options for filing PPO paperwork at the Ingham County Circuit Courthouse. So, your first option is to go in person to the Veterans Memorial Courthouse. You can get the paperwork there. Um, Once you've filled it out, you can file it there. It's free to file PPO paperwork. The location of the Veterans Memorial Courthouse is 313 West Kalamazoo Street in downtown Lansing. Their phone number is 517-483-6500. And right now, if you were going to file your paperwork, you'd be going to a clerk's window on the first floor of the courthouse. The walk-in hours right now are Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. Your second option from today until the end of business on Friday, April 3rd, would be to email your paperwork to the 30th Circuit Court Clerk's office. And that email address is circuitcourtrecords@ingham.org. So CIRCUITRECORDS at INGHAM.org. Your third way from now until the end of the business day on Friday, April 3rd, would be to fax your paperwork to the 30th Circuit Clerk's office. You can either fax the paperwork to 517-483-6401 or 517-483-6501. And then how you get your decision right now. So about 24 hours after you have filed for your PPO, give the 30th Circuit Clerk's Office a call at 517-483-6500 to check on the status of your decision. And then again, as of today, you should be allowed to go to the 30th Circuit Courthouse on Kalamazoo Street between the hours of 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Monday through Friday to pick up your decision once you know that the decision is ready to be picked up after you've called. But when you call and talk to a clerk, please confirm this information with the clerks when you call, as things are changing day by day. With regard to the paperwork, during the stay-at-home order, the coronavirus. Right now, the court is also accepting electronic signatures. So if you don't have access to a printer or scanner, so you can't print it out, fill the paperwork out with a pen, sign it, and scan it back in to email it, for example, you can fill it out online. Type up a statement and then sign your paperwork by typing your name using the following format. So it's /button S/ first name, last name. So there's an example /S/Jan Jones. You can get the paperwork at our website, which is eveinc.org. And then when you're on the main page, which is right here, hover over Services underneath Personal Protection Order Office. Oops, let's just X out of that. That pops up sometimes. So Services, Personal Protection Order Office, click on PPO Forms, and then you've got the paperwork that you need. The top left paperwork is paperwork for a domestic personal protection order. To the right of that is paperwork for a domestic PPO against a minor, if you're filing against somebody under between the ages of 10 and 17. And then In the middle here is paperwork for a non-domestic stalking PPO, and to the right of that is paperwork for a non-domestic stalking PPO against a minor. And then at the bottom here is the paperwork for a non-domestic sexual assault personal protection order, and then to the right, a non-domestic sexual assault against a minor PPO paperwork. Over on the left-hand side here, general paperwork for all PPOs. You can see a petitioner's statement packet for a personal protection order. That's a packet that is optional, but you can use that if you'd like to tell the judge why you need the PPO. If you needed an extra bit of space to write down why you need the PPO, there's an additional incident form to talk about additional incidents in the same format that we use for this statement packet here. There's an instruction page on how to serve PPOs. There's a safe address form that is an optional form you can submit if you are using a mailing address on your court paperwork that is something other than your residence. If you would like law enforcement to have your actual residence in their database attached to a PPO that would be granted, you can release your real address to them using a safe address form if you're using some other address on your court paperwork. There's a form that you would use to request to be somebody's next friend. A minor child who needs protection and an adult under a legal guardianship who needs protection, they need a next friend to petition for them. So that's the next friend paperwork. If somebody has violated the PPO, we have a motion to show cause form right here. And then if somebody would like to ask the court to modify, extend, or terminate a PPO, that form is right here. All right. For some of these, for example, with our statement packet right now, you can't, just by clicking on the link, you cannot fill in these blanks on this form. So what you would need to do is you would need to save your form as a PDF. So it looks like in Chrome here, what I would do to save a PDF is I would click print. So then open PDF in preview. And once your document has been opened in the PDF preview format, there's this pen where you can use that to type things into your forms. So hopefully that will help you file your PPO paperwork right now while it's a little trickier to get out of the house and get over to the courthouse. If you have any questions about filing your paperwork or following up after you filed your paperwork, please feel free to reach out to the court at 517-483-6500, but also feel free to reach out to the advocates at the PPO office. If you call our number, then somebody will get your information down and then one of us will get back to you. So you can just call the PPO office number at 517-483-6545, and that will go to our crisis line and they will get us the message. So, okay, take care and stay healthy.